So hi guys, it's Dawi Petro, my YouTube channel, and look at my dog. Hello Nunu. Hello Nunu. It's a girl. So yeah. Hello Nunu. Hello Nunu. Look there. Yeah guys, I'm interested. I'm so disappointed at my dog because look it. Layla, say hello. Say hello. Look there. Yeah guys, but you're my dog now. He is like, he's not like, how can I say, he's like, he's a rabbit if you know it. A rabbit takatarach, like, lovend sam. As a man to come at sample, as a man sin at sample, as a it's in at sample. Alles at a do no sam, damn not sam story on us. Yeah. So, I'm gonna talk now in Afrikaans. So, ek sê nou die van die Howland. Van die Howland. As julle hom ken, die Howland is so. Die Howland is ou. Dan sê jy vir hom, hy is hyper chicken. Like, hy is hyper chickenerig. And my cousin, Caslin, sy is hyper chickenerig. Sy's hyper chickenerig. So man, I'm just playing. She's not there, but she's very smart. Look there, Layla. Hello. Hello, Nunu. Kijk aan, zelf die mensen. Zo, wat ben je wat? Ze steekt over mijn ammo. Wat ze zien, ze zeggen. Ze kan niet van tegen, gaat ze op uit. Ze kan ook niet dansen, gaat ze op uit. Zo, als die hond, dat is recht, ze op uit. Bekia, iemand om zich rechts recht te maken. Oh, dat is recht. Maar ja, guys.